I welcome you to my civic education class. With me here, your teacher, Mr. A+. I've come with another question in civic education and a topic called conflict. So, as you may be aware, my core business is to give you the skill on how to go about examination questions. So now let us quickly go through the question and see how we can answer questions under conflict. The first question, what is conflict? That is the question, what is conflict? So you have to understand that. So a conflict is a quarrel, struggle, or fight between two individuals, communities, societies, or country. Okay, that is conflict. So this is a quarrel, a fight, struggle between two individuals, communities, societies, or countries. Okay, that is the answer. That is the way you are supposed to answer when you are asked the question, what is conflict? In simpler terms. Then question 1b, state type of a conflict that occurred between Ethiopia and Eritrea in 2001. So meaning there are different types of conflict. So now the conflict that occurred in Ethiopia and Eritrea in 2001 is called ethnic conflict. So that was the name of the conflict that occurred between these two states in 2001. Okay, then C, the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, and the Rwandan conflict resulted into creation of two alliances. Okay, now identify any one country that was in support of DRC. So according to the question there, they have told you to identify only one, okay, among the countries that were in support of DRC. Now, for you, just have to support one because to indicate one there because the question itself carries 1 mark. Okay, so now for me, I've decided to give you all the countries that were in support of DRC so that during your exam, in case this particular question will come, you'll be able to get one out of the countries that I'm going to mention. So one of them is Libya, then Angola, Zimbabwe, and Namibia. Libya, Angola, Zimbabwe, and Namibia. These were the countries that were in support of DRC during that conflict which emerged between two alliances. Okay, then we go to D, the method of conflict resolution that involves a third party who is accepted by the disputing parties is called mediation. Okay, mediation, this word itself, mediation, comes from the word mediator. Mediator is a person actually who is on the middle part, okay, from this side as well as this side. So that person who is on the middle is called the mediator. Hence, this resolution is actually called mediation. Okay. Then we go to E, mention any two ways in which a culture of peace can be created. Just two ways in which a culture of peace can be created. So one of them is respect for human rights. So if there is respect for human rights, peace of culture will be actually created. Okay? If there is respect for human rights, working for justice, promotion of good governance, carrying out civic education, okay? Carrying out civic education awareness. When all these things are put in place, it means they will definitely be the piece of culture. Okay, so we go to the last question in today's lesson, which is name the refugee camp that is located in northwestern province of Zambia. Northwestern province of Zambia. What is that name of refugee camp that is located there, northwestern? That is Maheba camp, and it is actually located in Kalumbila district to be particular. Okay, so thank you so very much for your attention. Let us actually continue being together in this way for your betterment. Thank you once again. But don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pedagogy Academy. Then follow me on the Facebook page, Mr. A Plus, as well as on TikTok. Bye for now.